IOBAC is a new revolutionary magnetised flooring system which is both sustainable and flexible and differs hugely from the traditional forms of installation which require adhesives. The system is odourless, solvent-free and has zero VOCs, so it has no nasties, no carcinogenics. The easiest way to demonstrate the benefits of the IOBAC magnetised flooring system is to show it compared against a traditionally installed floor. You'll see here we've got a plyboard which is installed with latex over the top, which is a form of flooring preparation, with some adhesive, and then a luxury vinyl tile. When this comes to replacement, if I just illustrate what happens, you're left with contaminants on the back of the tile in the form of adhesive and latex. You're left with a subfloor that isn't smooth, which requires further preparation, which is again costly and time consuming to the client. With the IOBAC magnetised flooring system, the replacement of floors is both easy and cost effective. The floor is left clean.